Um, Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. This is one of the very important concepts in machine learning. This is something very basic prerequisite that is needed before we start entering data science and machine learning. So it is a very vast subject and vast topic to discuss on this. So here this subject I am going to cut short, like in somewhere in after a few months I will be coming up a deep dive in eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Just you what For now what you can do is you consider eigenvalues and eigenvectors some kind of a magic formula, some kind of a magic thing. It is extensively used for several algorithms. So you just need to know how to extract the eigenvalues and eigenvectors and how to use it. That's it. That's what you needed for this. And in order to understand eigenvalues and eigenvectors, then you need to understand matrices at 3D level. So I right now, since I'm covering only on the touch basing on the machine learning, so I'm not covering the entire basics on this. So let me uh, the only thing is you need to know what is an eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So in the description I have posted one link about eigenvalues and one of the very good video about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. It gives us a little bit idea, so don't worry even if you don't understand it. Then after a few days I will be covering deep dive on eigenvalues, just how I have covered the means and covariance. So only thing you need to understand is it's a kind of a property that exists when you have a particular matrix. When you have a matrix and let's say some kind of a 2D matrix or 3D matrix, and you want to find out a certain vector which only just stretches or only just length will expands or reduce. So but it doesn't change its what you say properties. So that is something called as eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So these things you just need to know only this line, this particular line. So if this particular line, if you know, and if somehow if you're able to extract the values like eigenvalues and eigenvectors, that's more than enough. This is like a secret spice or secret ingredient that we will be using in many of the algorithms. Just you have to remember this line to extract an eigenvalue. So given a matrix something like this 2 by 2 matrix, like 1 2 and 2 3, so we are getting this we are just passing this matrix in the numpy array, and we are calling this linear algorithm eigen method. So from there we are going to receive eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So this is extensive usage on across all the algorithms, and we'll see how we're going to use this in next session. For now you please check the github repository, and there you can find this piece of code. Thank you.